Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable Gmail for offline. So firstly, log in your Gmail account, click on this settings, see all settings. Now here click on offline and check this box to enable offline mail. There are some more options and settings. Storage using 32 MB of 271 GB available for offline mail on your computer. Sync settings, restore emails from the last 37 or 90 days, and also you can download attachment. Security, you have the two options after logging out of my Google account. Keep offline data on my computer. Data stored on your device will not be deleted when sign out of your Google account. Also, you can select this option, remove offline data from my computer. And in the last, just click on Save Changes. So this way you can enable Gmail for offline. Thanks for watching.